Hey guys, Jonathan Wade here. This is week 3, uh, Advanced Visual Frameworks. This is the native features project. I wasn't able to style my features nearly as much as I wanted to. I couldn't get as creative as I wanted to. I was able to get them working. Surprisingly enough, the one that I had the most difficulty with was the silly notifications. I couldn't get them to appear the way that I wanted to. I was trying to do a lot more with notifications. I was trying to get the vibrate feature to work, and I ended up just having to settle on a simple alert. So yeah, bummed about that, but overall I really enjoyed it. Accessing the native features was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I just wish I would have had more time to spend on decorating and styling and getting more creative with the presentation. But I know I can do better, but this is what I was able to do in the time allotted. So that said, we could see my app here in the background. Alright, so I got my research topics for week 2, accessibility added. Alright, on Android. Oh, you know what? I updated it here in my index file, but it week 2. It doesn't look like I opened it up in the new Android simulator session. Oh well, I'll have to get that done, but it's in my Git. Alright, so going back, the two pieces of functionality, the native components that are working for me on Android are the in-app browser. So I've got this set up so that you can. Give me 1 second here. There we go. Alright, so that's you can actually do a search here. I did Mashable the last time around just to test it, and so I'll just do it again. So I purposefully left the alert as blank. I should have put something in there, but it was annoying me on iOS. So when I left it blank, nothing happened and it was fine. On Android, it was popping something up. So I've got the in-app browser here. This is really handy, and I definitely think I might utilize this in my mashup. And so we can go ahead and hit done. Alright, again, I could have stopped that a lot better. I just wasn't able to. So the other functionality that I got working on Android here were just notifications. I tried to get the geolocation to work, but I'm missing something. So this is so simple. It is it is not what I would have liked to have done, but it works. Alright, so again, the camera, it attempts to work, but the last time I tried it, it crashed. I don't know if using this is going to attempt to access my computer's camera, or if it just, yeah. So that said, I'm going to go ahead and quit the Android simulator and go ahead and show you my iPad. So if you guys see this. Alright, so yeah, I just have the hardest time showing this. So there we go. And I've got I did deploy it here, so I've got my research, right, and then week 2, so I've got my stuff here. Alright, so that's my week 2 research, and then going back, native components, so I've got the camera, which is somewhere right there, and so I've got a few options there. It's gonna be all backwards, but I've got it so I can snap a picture, select from library, and select from an album. So if I snap a picture, yay, fun. It's always fun trying to work this when it's mirrored. Alright, cool. And so I set it up to where I can edit and then use when the picture is displayed, and then I can access items from my photo albums. I just have to have those set up so they appear there, and then I can access from any given album. So whatever this other I have there. So that was fun. Again, I would have liked to have styled it better and been a little bit more creative. But the next thing I got was geolocation. And just where are you? And it's just, you just push this little button here, wherever it is, and it just pops up with your location there. So look, that's where I'm at. Yay! Cool. Alright. So that said, that one works. That was a fun one. Again, my in-app browser, so works here as well. So let's just once again do http://www.facebook.com. Okay. So just go ahead and do that. Go. And Facebook. So yeah, works well. And then I can just hit my done over here, and there's some back buttons, forward back buttons in the corner over here. Alright. Then I have my notifications, which are silly. Same thing. I don't know why this one was so difficult, but I couldn't get things working the way that I wanted to. So I had to do some silly notification. Anyway, overall, very cool stuff, and I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Again, I didn't have the time to style the way I wanted to, but have a great night, guys. Looking forward to the mashup.